Have you seen those incredibly satisfying AI renovation videos where an old room magically transforms into a luxury space? From dirty bedrooms to five-star hotels, old kitchens becoming luxury masterpieces, or abandoned rooftops turning into beautiful sky lounges. Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create those realistic transformation videos using a single structured prompt. Let's get started.
So you head over to your Chrome browser and you're going to see I've already prepared a template that you're going to make use of. Right, come over to your ChatGPT. You are going to see an image which is also among the templates, so you can go and download it right there. So I just want to write something to change the image. I say change the character outfit to a dust-filled t-shirt and a red baggage jeans and like that. So ChatGPT is going to analyze it and generate. As you can see, it has generated an image for us, right? So now, since our image is ready, so the next thing I'm going to do is you just come over to the template, right? So you come over. But before doing that, let me open a new chart, right? So I'll go to the template and copy the step 1. So after copying the step 1, let's scroll and copy everything. You copy everything and take it to ChatGPT. Please, I want you to read me carefully and watch this video carefully so that you don't make a mistake, right? So I'm going to copy it and then paste it right here. So after pasting it, I'm going to upload the image just generated by ChatGPT, right? So after generating the image just generated by ChatGPT, I'm just going to come over and click on generate. You might not necessarily need to upload the image right here, because what we just need is the idea, that is the image prompt and the video prompt, right? So I have pasted the image prompt, so that is for step 1. Now this is for step 2. You are going to come over and copy it and paste it right here. The first step is to give you ideas, right? Topic ideas. So now I've selected number 4. Let's come over and look for which one. Okay, I think this number 4 is okay. So I'll come over and copy it and paste it right there. So after pasting it, I'll just click on generate. Then ChatGPT is going to help us to analyze everything that we need to know. As you can see, this is scene 1 image prompt and video prompt, scene 2 image and video prompt, reach on to scene 5, right? So now as everything is ready, come over and open a new tab and search for Flow AI. As you all know, your Google Flow. So now, but before then, let's download this picture to our device. After downloading it, I will head over to copy the image prompt. Now I will advise you can just try and copy everything. Copy all the images and then the separate one side, and then the video also you separate it one side. Alright, so what I'm going to do firstly is I'm going to upload the image generated by ChatGPT and upload it right here and paste in our prompt for the first image, right? And I'll do that continuously for it to generate all the images that we need, right? So, but if you are facing any issue, just do the first step that I ask you to do, to just go and copy all the images, prepare everything and add it to a notepad or to a document where you can easily have access to it, right? So now if I'm facing an issue, I'll just let me see what if it is going to approve it. So I'm just going to click on I only needed image, but you want to give me video. So I'm going to tell you to just image is what I requested for, right? So we are going to see what this ChatGPT and what this flow is going to generate for us. Let's hold on in few seconds. Our image will be ready. So as you can see, our image is now ready, and you can preview it and you can see this is also good. This is not bad for being the beginning of the. So you just do that continuously for each of the scene. So I'll come over and copy the image 2 as well and paste it right here. So after pasting it, you are going to see the output, right? So after seeing the output, I'm going to add, don't forget to always add this image to the prompt so that it will give you the best. Don't worry, everything, all the prompt is well set, so you don't have anything to worry about. So I'm going to come over to ChatGPT, copy the third prompt and paste it right here. As you can see, there's an error here. Instead of generating it in another scene, it went to just re-edit the first one. So what I'm going to do is let me try and copy everything, both the image and video, and paste it and see if it's going to give us everything at once. Let's try it if it's going to do that at once. All right, so let's wait and see the outcome. as you can see again, it's still editing the first image. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over and open a new tab, right? I'll open a new tab to do this. I'll open that is, I'll go and create a new project. So I'm still trying to replot it and see what if we should follow exactly what I want. But if you do not give me what we want, well, we are left with no option than to go and open a new project. And in that new project, I will show us step by step what to do, right? So now in that new project, now I've opened a new project. I'm going to come over and upload the image again. So after uploading the image again, I'll just come over. I have already prepared all the image prompts, so I'm going to come over and paste all the image prompt. Now below it, I'll now say generate all the 5 images. Don't forget we have 5 scenes, right? So I'm going to tell you to generate all the 5 images and click on generate, and you'll see that this is the best version. As you can see, it has started generating all the 5 images. Now that our 5 images are ready, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in all the video prompts. That is all the video prompts. So after pasting it, I'll also tell you to generate the 5 videos, and trust me, it's going to animate all the 5 images and turn it to video for us. So I'm going to click on send, and in a few seconds our video will also be ready. But before that, you have to accept and approve for it to generate that. As you can see, it has started generating, and in short seconds, as you can see, it is now ready. Remember, you are seeing this erasure. Erasure is the last video I uploaded on my channel, and this erasure that you are seeing here helps you to remove every watermark on each of your video, right? So what I'm going to do is let me go back and try to download it. So when you come over and click on that erasure will help you to remove every watermark. It will download it automatically without the watermark, without the Gemini watermark right there. So you do that, you repeat it consistently, and that's that. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
And that's it. By combining character identity lock, camera lock, location lock, and a structured 5-scene workflow, you can create incredibly realistic renovation with a single stationary camera over several days. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which transformation you'd like to create next. I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!